Makeup is like art for your face. It helps you look and feel your best. Whether you are new to makeup or want to try a new look, this guide is for you. This essay will give you the basics of makeup. You will learn how to use it to enhance your natural beauty without looking overdone. Makeup is for everyone. It's not about hiding flaws, but about enhancing your features. With the right tips, you can create different looks for any occasion. From a natural, everyday look to a glamorous evening style, the possibilities are endless. This guide will focus on achieving a natural makeup look perfect for beginners. We'll cover the essentials of makeup application and provide tips to avoid common mistakes. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the most important thing is to have fun and feel confident in your skin. A flawless makeup look starts with a smooth and even base. This section covers the basics: choosing the right foundation, applying concealer, and setting it with powder. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to find the right foundation for your skin tone. It's best to test foundation shades on your jawline in natural light. This will help you find the perfect match for a seamless blend between your face and neck. Next, concealer can help hide blemishes and brighten up the under eye area. Apply a small amount of concealer to any areas that need extra coverage and blend it gently with a brush or your fingers. Finally, set your foundation and concealer with a light dusting of powder. This will help keep your makeup in place and prevent shine. Use a large, fluffy brush to apply powder evenly to your entire face. Now that we've covered the basics of creating a flawless base, let's move on to enhancing your natural features. Makeup should complement, not cover up, so keep it subtle and focus on enhancing your best features. First and foremost, blend, blend, blend. Blending is crucial for achieving a natural look. Use a brush or sponge to ensure your makeup seamlessly blends into your skin. Second, stick to neutral tones. Neutral eyeshadows, blushes, and lipsticks complement most skin tones and create a timeless, elegant look. Finally, emphasize one feature at a time. If you're going for a bolder lip color, keep your eye makeup subtle. Conversely, if you want to play up your eyes, choose a neutral lip color. This creates balance and prevents your makeup from looking overdone. Section 4. Makeup mishaps. The don'ts. Just as important as knowing what to do is understanding what to avoid. This section will cover common makeup mistakes that can make you look overdone. Firstly, avoid applying too much foundation. Using too much foundation can make your makeup look cakey and unnatural. Start with a small amount and build up coverage gradually if needed. Secondly, avoid using too many bright colors. While bright colors can be fun, using too many can be overwhelming. Stick to 1 or 2 pops of color and keep the rest of your makeup neutral. Finally, remember to blend. Neglecting to blend your makeup can lead to harsh lines and a less polished look. Section 5. Achieving a natural look. Key takeaways. Achieving a natural makeup look is about enhancing your features, not masking them. Remember to start with a clean and moisturized face. Choose makeup products that match your skin tone and undertones. Blend your makeup well for a seamless finish. Less is more when it comes to a natural makeup look. Start with a small amount of product and build up gradually if needed. Avoid using too much foundation, as this can make your makeup look cakey. Lastly, always remove your makeup before going to bed to allow your skin to breathe and regenerate. Section 6. Makeup for everyone. Makeup is a powerful tool for self-expression and creativity. It can boost your confidence, enhance your natural beauty, and allow you to try different looks. Whether you prefer a natural or glamorous look, the key is to have fun and feel comfortable in your skin. Remember, makeup is personal. There are no strict rules, so experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best. Don't be afraid to try new things and develop your unique style. The most important tip for beginners is to start slowly and gradually build your makeup collection and skills. Makeup is a journey, not a destination, so enjoy the process and embrace the transformative power of makeup.